Welcome to Health and Fitness. We will talk about burn 1000 calories in 20 minutes. It's hard at times to fit the gym in, so here's a 1000 calorie burn you can fit in any schedule from anywhere. We have two options when it comes to cardio. We just need to know which one fits our lifestyle better in order to reach our goals. Invest 20 minutes at a 100% effort level and deliver a 1000 calorie fat burning HIIT workout you can use anyplace. Perfect for hotels, late nights at the office, or the living room of your apartment. Give this one a try. Warning, this is not for the faint of heart. Work toward building up to the pace needed to fit it all in. Gear up your best playlist for this one and don't look back. 1. 50 jumping jacks. 2. 1 minute run in place. 3. 20 push-ups. 4. 20 burpees. 5. 20 crunches. 6. 50 jumping jacks. 7. 1 minute run in place. 8. 30 air squats. 9. 20 push-ups. 10. 20 crunches. 11. 20 burpees. 12. 50 jumping jacks. 13. 1 minute run in place. 14. 30 air squats. I hope you like this video. PLZ. Subscribe for more updates.